Hi, and welcome to our RV interior upgrade project. The RV getting the upgrade is our fifth wheel destination camper at the beach. When we were looking for an RV to put on our lot, we didn't want a brand new one for obvious reasons. What we found was an older fifth wheel that was in excellent condition for its age. After situating the fifth wheel on our lot, we added a 10 by 20 four-season patio enclosure to expand our interior living space. Dawn quickly got busy furnishing and decorating the patio enclosure to give it that beachy look and feel. The problem was the interior of the fifth wheel was showing its age. The carpet was old and worn, the window shades were outdated, and the furniture looked the way you would expect old furniture in an RV to look. Our plan is to upgrade the RV interior with a modern day look and feel. The way we're going to do that is by installing some new MCD American Duo day-night roller shades, new Infinity luxury woven vinyl flooring, and new Rec Pro furniture. But before we can do any of that, we need to remove all the old furniture, flooring, and shades. That's our plan for today. The first step of the interior upgrade project was to remove the old furniture and the dinette booth. That will give us better access to remove and replace the old flooring and shades and eventually install the new products. When you remove RV furniture, start by removing all of the cushions to see how the furniture is secured to the walls and floor. Using the correct tools, start removing all of the screws and other mounting hardware. Screws typically used in RV construction are either combination screws like this square and Phillips head screw, or just a square head screw like this. Square or Robinson bits come in 3 sizes, so make sure you use the correct size bit to prevent stripping the screw head or the driver bit. We started by removing the dinette table for better access to the dinette booths. Some booths can be removed without taking bottom drawers out. If not, you can remove the drawers by releasing the clip on the drawer guide. Next, we removed all the screws securing the booth to the wall and floor. Then we removed the dinette booth. Roxy was concerned about what was happening to her favorite bed under the dinette table. With the dinette removed, we can start on a sofa. This is a hide-a-bed, so you need to position it where you have access to the mounting hardware. Next, I removed the bottom skirt panel for better access under the sofa. Remove all the bolts and mounting hardware securing the sofa to the floor. To make it easier to get the sofa through the entry door, I removed the bolts securing the back of the sofa to the frame. Now we can remove the sofa. The recliner is freestanding without any mounting screws, so it was easy to move out of the room.
With all of the furniture removed, we can start removing the old flooring. Our plan is to use the old flooring material as a basic template to cut the new flooring, so we need to be careful taking it out. Let's see what's involved with removing the old flooring.
Tools that are helpful include a razor knife, a staple puller, and a pair of pliers. When you remove carpet, there are tack strips securing it to the floor and lots of staples. After a piece of carpet is loosened, you can pull it away from the floor one section at a time. I plan to use the carpet from the steps as a template too, so I was careful removing it. It might appear that carpet goes under base cabinets, but if you remove the bottom trim piece, there is a good chance the carpet does not go under the cabinet. We decided to replace the old wood flooring too, so we removed it. I mentioned I am using the old carpet as a template, but for areas of the room where there wasn't any carpet, I need to make a template of that space. I used an old roll of laminate floor underlayment to make the templates, and I made some notes so we would remember where it goes when we prepare to cut the new flooring.
With everything removed from the floor of the RV, we can prep the floor for our new flooring. First, we need to remove all of the staples from the floor. Let's see how that goes.
Preparing the floor surface for installation. You can use a staple remover or a pair of pliers. Be careful working on your hands and knees. The staples are very sharp. The floor must be smooth, clean, flat, and dry with no dirt, dust, wax, glossy paint, or any foreign materials. Fill in any cracks, knots, or other uneven surface areas using a latex fortified product. After it dries, sand any uneven surfaces smooth. Glossy or metallic surfaces need to be sanded to a dull surface. The last step in the preparation is to clean the floor surface thoroughly. The wood must be cleaned for the new flooring to properly adhere to the floor. It was a messy job, but now we can start on the fun stuff, installing the new interior products. Join us in the next episode of the RV Interior Project when we install new MCD American Duo roller shades in the fifth wheel trailer.